Good morning, everybody. This is David today with 10 ways to be a good anti-flat earther. How to avoid joining the flat earth. Steps for success as an anti-flat earther. Strengthen your resolve by reviewing science at any level. Watch the sun, the moon, and the stars. Remember, celebrity scientists, NASA, Google, they're all good resources, but by no means the final word. A good rule of thumb for you is 3 references for any question. I promise you, if you use one reference, you're going to get yourself in trouble. Second, find several good anti-flat earther YouTube channels. For humor, there's Logical Troglodyte, Monk the Drunk Space Monkey, and Flat Out. And I'm sure there are others. For debunking, there's Simon Dan, Conspiracy Cats, who's also very funny, Dead Kennedy in Space. He's one of the best new ones, I can tell you that, for information. Andy Flatter, you're really going to like him. He's funny and he's got lots of good debunking. Planner Walk, Team Skeptic, Brainy Beaver. These are all really good channels for you to watch. For information, of course, you got to watch this channel. AB Science, Bob the Science Guy, Baldy Cats. Baldy has really good physics information from the aspect of a teacher. Wolfie 6020 is really good. Gives us some information from a pilot's point of view. Ruhi, boy is he good at math and at analyzing photos. For interviews, the best one to watch is Jim Bojo. He really does a good job at interviewing people. For debates, be sure to watch Fight the Flat Earth and Red's Rhetoric. And some oldies but goodies, Mortimer 81 and Professor Stick. Next, as a rule of thumb, you might bone up on some of the favorite flat earth conspiracies. And this is just so that you understand what's wrong with their logic. Watch videos of ships going over horizon. This is one of the flat earth staples. Once in a while, drop something to remind you there really is gravity. Water does not stick to a beach ball because there is an enormous globe nearby. There are no explanations in flat earth for sun and moon height, dome height, ice wall, density as a force, planet rotation, eclipses, seasons. I could just go on and on. They have no working model. I want to repeat that. They have no working model. If you don't understand that, leave me a comment. The last thing here, be sure you understand that the workings of physics and the universe are not simplistic. Everything works together in an orchestra, from the tiniest particles all the way to the infinite universe. Nothing works solo and nothing gets its own rules. Those are very important things for scientists. Do not, and I repeat, do not believe anything that comes out of the mouth of a flat earther, no matter who it is. Do not take it with a grain of salt. It's guaranteed to be wrong, misinformation, misquotes, cherry-picked, or just outright lying. These are ignorant people trying to appear knowledgeable. Sirius Dunning-Kruger. The next one you need to burn into your mind. The earth is simply enormous. Your senses, your eyes, your ears, your nose, your senses just simply cannot comprehend the enormity of the earth. When you go out your front door, sure enough, you see your neighbor across the street. The next one, the sun and moon are also enormous and immense distances away. It's simply a magnificent coincidence that the sun and moon have exactly the same angular size. The next one that I get triggered about is planets are most definitely real and rotate around the sun. I had one lady tell me that when I myself looked through a telescope and saw planets, that it was CGI. Now figure that one out. The stars are vast distances away. Polaris is the current North Pole star. Sigma Octantis is the current South Pole star, although it's very faint, hard to see. These two pole stars will change, but it's on a stellar time scale. Realize that the stars don't care what you think. And finally, the immensity of the solar system, the galaxy, and the universe should make you feel unique and special as the only you. Now, let me say here at the end of this 10 steps that Friday, I have a very special treat for you, so you want to tune in on